Okay, question number 30. The average surface temperature of Mars is approximately 200 Kelvin. Surface temperature T Mars is equal to 200 Kelvin, and surface temperature of Earth is 300 Kelvin. T Earth is equal to 300 Kelvin, and Mars has a half a radius of that of Earth. Radius R Mars is equal to RE divided by 2. Assuming that both Mars and Earth acts as black bodies, what is the power radiated by Mars? So which law? Stefan-Boltzmann's law, right? So P is equal to sigma T power 4. Okay, assuming black body, so emissivity is equal to 1. So therefore, now what I will do is I will write this as P Mars divided by P Earth is equal to sigma T power T Mars. This also, okay, so now we have this sigma A T power 4. I'm sorry, put a here. There's an A here, A Mars divided by A Earth sigma T power 4. 4 over here. So sigma cancels. Now what is A? 4 pi R square. 4 pi Rm square into Tm to the power of 4 divided by 4 pi Re square Te to the power of 4. So this goes away. Now what is Rm is equal to Re by 2. Let us substitute Re divided by 2 the whole square into Tm. What is Tm? Tm is 200 Kelvin. 200 divided by, what is this now? Re square into 300. This is to the power of 4. This is to the power of 4. Next, what we will do? Let me write it down much more. So, which I will write this as equal to Re by 2 should be Re square divided by 4 into 200 divided by 300 whole to the power of 4 divided by Re square. Okay, so what I have done is I have just combined this 200 and 300 together and written it like this. So therefore, this double zero goes away. You have Re square goes away. So I have 1 by 4 into 2 power 4, which is 16. 3 power 4 is 81. So when I do this, I get 4 ones are 4 fours are, which should be 4 by 81. Now let us use our calculator to find out what is the value of 4 by 81. 4 by 81 should be 4 divided by 81 is equal to 0.049. 0.049, let me write it down here. So this value is equal to 0.049, whose value is closer to 0.05. So answer D is the right answer.